Volunteers from Massy store St. Lucia traded their store uniforms for paintbrushes this weekend, transforming the Rainbow Children's Home in Opicor VIEUX Fort with a fresh coat of paint and a new kitchen garden. The initiative, led by the Massy store's TOURNEY branch, saw nearly 20 staff members volunteer their time to revitalize the children's home, which houses up to 9 vulnerable children. Sandra Faustin, manager of Rainbow Children's Home, expressed her gratitude for the unexpected scope of support. The project included repainting the facility inside and out, installing irrigation lines for a new kitchen garden, and providing storage lockers for staff.
The manager of TOURNEY store called to ask is there anything that we needed. So speaking to staff, they kind of had 3 suggestions. A kitchen garden, they desperately need some staff lockers, and the painting of the house inside and out, which has not been done since we actually opened. The suggestion was given, and then last week Monday I got a call from Mrs. Shallery to tell me that they were going to do all 3, so I was elated. Yeah, I thought we'd get 1, but we're getting all 3 things, so it was absolutely fantastic.
Alma Shallery, Massy store's TOURNEY branch manager, emphasized the company's commitment to community service with the initiative, inspiring and mobilizing volunteers from other Massy stores in the south, including Choiseul and New Dock Road, to participate.
As you know, the Rainbow Children's Home is a home for vulnerable children, and as part of our volunteerism project, we are giving back, and we're giving back with our time. And I'm very grateful to our team who have volunteered their time to be here taking part in this project.
Kelly Mitchell, divisional head for marketing and corporate communications at Massy stores, highlighted the broader impact of such initiatives.
This project was desiring of our support because the beneficiaries of persons who come to this home is kids from 0 to about 11, 10, who come from homes that are disturbed and vulnerable homes, and they need some level of care, and so we really this project was very dear to us, yeah. And so we are happy to do this. I mean, this is what Massy store does. We have a very clear corporate social responsibility policy, and it's really, as the leading retailer in St. Lucia, we ensure that we work with key stakeholders, members of government, members of NGOs, and community leaders, movers and shakers within the communities, just to bring about some transformational change.
The Rainbow Children's Home, which opened in 2018, also receives regular grocery donations from Massy stores to support the children's nutritional needs.